Welcome to my next short video on reactions of benzene-diazonium chloride. It is a very important reaction, and first of all you should know what is benzene-diazonium chloride. And benzene-diazonium chloride is the structure is benzene N2X, and the very important thing, if you go one step back, the answer is the reaction is aniline. Aniline reacts with nitrous acid, is very unstable acid, and that acid comes from NaNO2 plus HCl. NaNO2 HCl gives NaCl and HNO2, and you get HNO2. When nitrous acid when reacts with aniline, we get benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene diazonium chloride reacts with, so this benzene diazonium chloride when it made to react with Cu2Cl2 HCl, it gives chlorobenzene plus nitrogen, and when the same compound reacts with Cu2 Br2 in HBr, it gives bromobenzene plus nitrogen. When same reacts with CuCN in presence of HCl, it gives cyanobenzene, and the all reactions are called Sandmeyer's reaction. The second type of the reaction is benzene with copper and HCl. Again this gives chlorobenzene. Benzene with copper HBr, it gives bromobenzene. X CuCl CuBr. This type of reaction is called Gattermann reaction. So first type, second type is over. Now this is called iodobenzene. When benzene does not react with potassium iodide, this is called iodobenzene. Next is this is fluoroboric acid. Fluorobenzene, and it is usually done by Bulch-Seemann reaction. So fluoroboric acid. So when benzene reacts with fluoroboric acid and it is heated, it gives fluorobenzene acid. This is called Bulch-Seemann reaction. This is very important. Once again, very often asked in NEET. I think two years ago the question was asked. H3PO3, it becomes H3PO3. Very often it is asked. Sometimes H3PO3 becomes H3PO3, and this is simple benzene. Next reaction is water and warm phenol. It was asked in 2001 NEET exam. Very often you may not answer this one. Benzene diazonium chloride says water and warm. This gives you phenol. And again, it was asked in the entrance exam. If it is made to react with ethanol, answer you are asked what will happen to ethanol. Answer ethanol becomes ethanol. It is oxidized and this becomes benzene. It is very important reaction for entrance exam. And the last of this one is fluoroboric acid and when it is made to react with copper and it is heated, answer nitrobenzene. Again, it is very important reaction. So this is all about the reactions with benzene diazonium chloride.